Hello everyone, welcome to Unpod. So in this video, we will get to know how we can write a blog using Unpod Pilot's help. So let's get started. First, we need to click on the Ask button and give Unpod Pilot a topic which we want a blog to be about. So let me write the topic here. So our topic is AI versus human intelligence. Can AI agents replace humans? So click on this arrow button. Within few seconds, guys, Unpod Pilot will write a blog for us on the given topic, and then we will get to know how we can publish this blog on Unpod. You can use this blog anywhere you like. And meanwhile, guys, if you are watching this video on YouTube, please consider subscribing the channel and follow Unpod on various social media platforms. So, as we can see, Unpod has started writing a blog. So, let it be completed. Okay, so it's completed and it described beautifully. First, Unpod gave an introduction and then describe understanding AI, then human intelligence, AI versus human intelligence, and can AI replace humans, and finally sum up with conclusion. And now we need to publish this on Unpod, right? So let me copy this first. After copied, we just need to click on the right button and paste your content here. Give a title. So our title will be AI versus human intelligence. Can AI agents replace humans? So you can copy paste. So finally, you can modify this blog, whatever your input. You can modify according to your input. Other than that, if you want with the same blog, just need to click on the save draft and then publish. Now our blog has been published on Unpod, so click on the home button and you will see your blog is visible here. So now this is how we can write a blog within few seconds with the help of Unpod Pilot. That's it in this video, guys. Thank you for watching.